This aspect of the online tool is not as user-friendly as the online mapping website, as it requires the input of specific details to ensure the plot passports are composed of accurate land data. Land can be located by navigating from a worldwide perspective, inputting the longitude and latitude coordinates, a district area or a postcode. For now, we're going to focus on Cherwell District Council and using Banbury as the example. Once the user locates a plot of land, overlay data will become visible. As the database grows, the complexity of the mapping will become greater use of those wishing to self-build. With this database, it is possible to enhance the user's experience by turning various layers on and off to help identify data. This allowing the user to identify specific possibilities and site constraints. It is these layers that are simplified in the buyer's website portal. When mapping a piece of land, the user will draw around the perimeter of the site. This will create a closed polygon. A predetermined text box will appear, allowing the user to complete the initial requirements for this data in order for it to be assessed by the local district council. Local planners can review each plot package as it becomes available. At this point, it would be expected that the site is given a local development order or prior approval based on the information gathered. If this was to be completed on a site-by-site basis, that would give the buyer confidence in all the information required for a feasibility package in order to start self-building. Once the data has been collected and approved, it allows construction to begin immediately. Any information that is missing from this package, then the local councils can reach out to local consultants and get the information required. Alternatively, suppose there is a photograph of a specific location, an overhead power line, or a historic watercourse. In that case, these can also be added by overlaying existing maps or inputting the exact coordinates of the landmark. The buyer will only see the simplified exported data collected on this software. This prevents the need for the every person archetype needing to understand how to use QGIS software. Now that the site has been identified, it will now be visible on the user website. The users will be able to click on this as a site under observation. However, they will not be able to find any data or information on the site until the local district council has confirmed and completed the entire database. Data can easily be added by creating new columns to input new information, which will then update the live passport on the user website. Please follow the following QR code where all this information has been presented in a user-friendly way on the proposed land mapping website.